This installation is going to be for a single pole switch. It controls one output, one light source. We're going to be swapping this switch with the Inovelli switch. This is our basic on-off switch, and we're going to show you how to do that today. First thing first, we'll go ahead and take out the switch itself. I already had the screws undone a little bit. Pull it out. You're going to expose two wires that are attached to the switch right now. One of these is going to be hot, and one of these is going to be the load. All right, sometimes it's really hard to tell which is which depending on how the wiring is done in your home. This one I know because I have a little loop right here that's my load. And then back here in the back of the switch, so I know it's hard to tell, I'll go ahead and pull these out for you. See all my neutrals back here, so. And here's my neutrals. So I have my neutrals. All right, I have my line and my load. Again, you won't always be able to tell by the two black wires which one the line and load is. For me, I know the loops are my loads. Also, all my lines are attached together. Let's pull this over and let you see a little bit better. Right into here, you can see all my hots are tied together, so I know that's my hot side. Now this switch, the wires are stabbed in the back of it. It's a really poor way to do things, but people do it that way. Sometimes you have to break them to get these out. Sometimes they don't. I just use a pair of needle nose and kind of turn them as I'm pulling them out. Now I want to pull the ground off. Now, line, load, neutral. Now I'm going to undo these neutrals right here. All right, and I'm going to put on our little neutral wire that comes with our switch. So here's a little neutral wire that comes with our switch. I'm going to go ahead and tie this to the neutrals. I'm going to grab our switch. On the back we have line, load, and neutral and traveler labeled on the back. In this particular installation, we're not going to be using the traveler. Okay, so now I want to prepare our wires a little bit better. All right, we're going to go neutral, load, and line. Now that we have the switch back in place, we want to go ahead and restore power to it and make sure it works. Barely see the light, but we're going to turn the light switch off and back on. And now we know it works. Now what we want to do now is to make sure we remove power once again, so we can tighten the switch back in there, put our plate on, and then we're done. Thanks everyone for dropping by, watching the video. Again, this is for a single pole install. The other video that we released is for a three-way install. If you have any questions or concerns, please drop by Inovelli.com. We also have a remote switch coming in the near future. I will create a video based on a four-way install where line and load are separated and show you how to backfeed the line or load back to the primary location for the Inovelli switch and use a remote switch in that location. But until next time, guys, I appreciate everybody. Have a great day.